Hi everyone, I'm Nevriye, and on this video I want to help you display reviews on a WIX website. Before we get started, please make sure you generate your reviews from your Facebook page or Google location in Embed Reviews. And once you have them here, you can apply different layouts, different filters, and you can also add your own custom CSS to customize the look. Once you're done customizing, click on Save Changes and just get the code. Once the code is copied, go back to your WIX dashboard and from the left menu, go to More and on Custom Embeds, click on HTML iframe. Double-click the box and paste the code. Lastly, click on Apply and the reviews should appear now. Okay, so they're here and you will only need to adjust the size. Okay, so once you've adjusted the size and made the widget fit to your page, to save the changes, click on Save, or you can also preview them before publishing them live. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our chat or send us an email.